Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going over the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now this has made a comeback. As the Classic was gone for a year, it became the 5 Pro, and now they went back to the Classic. Why? Because we missed our rotating bezel. So I'm going to compare it to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, see how it looks. Now this one has a smaller battery, bigger display, and a rotating bezel. So depending on which one you want to get, now is the time to decide. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it looks. You know, I will say Samsung actually made it really easy to open up every other box, but not these, I guess. All right. So they gave me the wrong band. Now their website had so many issues on launch, couldn't figure out which one it wanted basically. So I had chosen actually the black leather band, and then I got a free fabric one. My guess is they were like, well, take this, and then I got the free fabric one. So I'll see how it feels. I guess I'll put this one on. I'm not really a fan of the fabric. I'm, you know, over 12, and so don't really care for that. I guess if you're running too, fabric is going to be good. But other than that, I'm assuming we probably have the charger in here. There we go. I'm going to be charging that. And right away, I will say the display does look big. I'm gonna put a strap on it though, just to really get a visual comparison between the two. So I thought this was a pull down button. The new button system is just really clicking in, but you really have to have a nail to do it. Like I really have to push down to get it in. And then once you do, it should be relatively easy. Yep, there you go. So pretty simple to put in. It just, you have to have a nail to push these buttons. Now, these are backwards compatible with the older kind of straps that we had on the older ones. So as long as it's a 20 millimeter, you should be fine. But if you do want the new one-click setup, then that is going to be a little bit different. So right away, you can see a similar design between the two. This one is a little bit bigger and flatter, whereas this one's a little bit rounder, but probably thicker because it did have a bigger battery. Overall, those same sensors inside as before. But yeah, let's take a look at this one. Let's turn this one on. All right, so now that we have them both on, you can see that, yeah, I really like the design of this one. Guys, it's been a very tough decision for me to upgrade to this watch because I don't like to charge my watch every night. We're gonna see how this one does, see how the battery life does. If I can get 2 days of it, I'll be good. This one, I honestly get to the 3rd day without charging it, no problem, but we'll have to see how it goes. The screen is really nice. I really like how much bigger the display is. It's only like 0.1 inch, but it does make a difference. And those bezels are a lot thinner, which is nice because now with that rotating bezel back, I love it. It's such a, I don't know, such a feel of just awesomeness when you rotate that bezel and you don't get in the way of it. I really missed this one. I honestly did it so many times where I thought it was rotating and it wasn't because obviously didn't have it. But very happy with this one in comparison. You can see these are both the Wi-Fi models, and this one is definitely thinner compared to how this one was. So again, that does go with the lower battery, but this one does have a newer processor, so hopefully that will save in efficiency. I think Samsung said something anywhere between 20 and 30% better battery. We'll have to wait and see though, because it is a smaller battery. I think it's over 100 milliamp difference. So let me go ahead and set it up and just give you my first impressions. All right, so I put it on. I immediately do not like this band. I just hate bands that go underneath. It just doesn't ever feel natural to me to have it underneath. It should just always go above, but that's the band that it comes, or at least one of the selections I was given. I will probably immediately switch this out for the nice leather band that I had previously with the watch, which again, they are interchangeable. Overall though, you can see that, man, this is a really nice upgrade. In terms of screen size, I really like the screen size difference. It really is noticeable to me, and I'm very happy with it so far. We'll have to wait and see how the battery life goes. I'm very curious to see how it lasts. But as my first impressions go, love having the click back. It's just really nice and fast and moves quickly. And I think I'm gonna keep it. Definitely get another band though. I would definitely get the leather band, or just not one of these little flimsy bands that they give for free. Probably get an upgrade on that. but we'll have to wait and see how it goes. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you upgrading to the Galaxy Watch 6, and do you want to see my long-term battery life review in a couple weeks? Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.